Ever since I was a kid, I've always loved the dentistry, and I just love how it's so interactive with everybody. You get to work on our classmates, and not only does it get you ready for the real world, it helps you with the most hands-on experience.
Teaching students how to assist the dentist with procedures like root canals, extractions, fillings. It often gets confused with hygiene, so we don't actually clean the teeth. We're helping the dentist restore teeth and fix issues with patients.
I wasn't really sure what type of dental field I wanted to go in after, and it's really helped me make sure I am going into dental assisting and that's what I want. Also showed me other careers in the dental fields.
I've learned a lot. We've done fluoride, flossing, impressions, model making, suctioning, putting in obturates, dental dams, fillings.
There's such a high demand for dental assistants, and the guarantee for students to get a job out of high school is very, very high. And it could be a really good paying career for them, especially attending Auburn. They have no tuition fees, so they're graduating Auburn. They could leave here, making a really good living for themselves without even having to go back to school.